Today, I will give you a brief knowledge about top 7 most amazing ruins and archaeological sites in the world. Seventh one in our list is Petra in Jordan. Petra, also known as the Rose Red City, is one of the world's most famous archaeological sites and Jordan's greatest tourist attraction. It is not known precisely when Petra was built, but the city began to prosper as the capital of the Nabatean Empire from the 1st century BC, which grew rich through trade in frankincense, myrrh, and spices. Petra was later annexed to the Roman Empire and continued to thrive until a large earthquake destroyed much of the city in the 4th century AD. The earthquake, combined with changes in trade routes, eventually led to the downfall of the city, which was ultimately abandoned. In 1812, a Swiss explorer named Johannes Burckhardt rediscovered Petra, after which the site began attracting visitors and continues to do so today. The number is Easter Island, Chile. Moai statues are massive megaliths at Chil's Easter Island, and these are what this island in the Pacific Ocean is famous for. The Moais were built in approximately 1400 to 1650 BC by the natives of this island, also known as Rapa Nui. There are around 1000 statues up to 86 tons in weight and 10 meters in height, though average is around half of that. 95% of the moais were carved from the volcano Rano Rakaru. This location was chosen since it consists to a great extent of tuff, a compressed volcanic ash which is easy to carve as the natives had no metal to carve with but used only stone tools. Moai statues were built to honor chieftain or other important people who had passed away. Fifth one is Tikal in Guatemala. Tikal is Guatemala's most famous landmark and the largest excavated site in the America, comprising some of the most fascinating archaeological sites of ancient Maya civilization. Most of the site's buildings were constructed during the 8th century AD, when Tikal became the greatest city in the Maya world with a population of perhaps 1 lakh. The ceremonial center contains superb temples and palaces and public squares accessed by means of ramps. Remains of dwellings are scattered throughout the surrounding jungle. Remarkably, Hernan Cortes, the conqueror of Mexico, marched by Tikal in 1525, but they failed to see its temples concealed by silk, cotton, cedar, and mahogany trees. It wasn't until 1848 that an expedition sent out by the Guatemalan government discovered the ruins. Fourth place is taken by the Stonehenge in United Kingdom. With a history spanning 4,500 years, the archaeological site of Stonehenge has many different meanings to people today. Its ring of standing stones is a masterpiece of engineering, and building it would have taken huge effort from hundreds of well organized people using only simple tools and technologies. The purpose of the ruins is totally unknown to us. It has no obvious practical purpose. It was not lived in and could not have been defended, so there must have been a spiritual reason why Neolithic and Bronze Age people put so much effort into building this. It has been suggested that Stonehenge has been a burial ground from its earliest beginnings. The monument and its surroundings were added to UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites in 1986. Number 3 is Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Angkor Wat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is Asia's most famous archaeological site and the principal draw card to the Kingdom of Cambodia for many savvy tourists from around the globe. Angkor stood once at the center of the mighty Khmer Empire and grew to become the largest known pre industrial settlement, spanning a site roughly equivalent to nowadays Paris. It was believed that the Khmer king had a divine role and an appropriate temple had to be constructed by each king to consecrate the symbolic relationship between ruler and divinity. The site comprises dozens of iconic temples, including Angkor Wat itself, Bayon, a temple famous for its smiling, serene faces carved onto gigantic towers, and Ta Prohm, a magnificent temple ruin engulfed by the jungle. Place in our list is taken by the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. Located just outside of the outskirts of Cairo on the esplanade known as the Giza Plateau, the Great Pyramids of Giza is Egypt's most famous archaeological site. All three of Giza's famed pyramids and their elaborate burial complexes were built during a frenetic period of construction from roughly 2550 to 2490 BC. Egypt's pharaohs expected to become gods in the afterlife. To prepare for the next world, they built temples to the gods and gargantuan pyramid tombs for themselves, filled with all the things each ruler would need to guide and sustain himself in the next world. The site also includes the remains of many smaller temples and settlements, which are invaluable for understanding ancient Egyptian life in this area. Number 1 in our list is Machu Picchu in Peru. At the top of a mountain, enormous and imposing stone blocks joined without using mortar were constructed to create one of the most important religious, political, and cultural centers of the Inca Empire. The mist shrouded citadel of Machu Picchu, revealed to the world in 1911 by Hiram Bingham. This Inca city is divided into two large sectors: the agricultural sector with an extensive network of terraces, and the urban sector with fine structures including the Sun Temple. The intensely green terraces and the imposing mountains surrounding the site combine to create a stunning landscape which surpasses visitors' expectations. No matter how many times you have seen a photograph of the iconic Inca ruins, nothing prepares you for the sense of view that this magical place elicits in its Andes mountain setting, clinging as it does to rock and jungles. For more informative videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we upload a video, you will get a quick notification.